How to manipulate energy to get what you want out of life. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Reminding you to be sure and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon because we're here Monday through Friday with a new upload designed to empower your life in love, money, wealth, prosperity, health through the law of attraction. Also, a little reminder, if you haven't been to miraclemindhypnosis.com, stop on by because we have a free Miracle Mind Hypnosis audio for you. It's absolutely free. There's no obligation. It's our gift from us to you. miraclemindhypnosis.com. So high flyers, everything in our reality is a combination of various energies that come together, form together to create a manifested reality. Now, that combination of energy can be the reality that you desire, that you crave, that you dream about, or it can be your worst nightmare. The choice is always yours. You are a co-creator of your reality. The first secret to manipulating reality in accordance with your will is to be of one mind. One mind, which means that not only must you remove all the clutter in your life, in your home, in your office, in your room, but you also must remove the clutter in your mind. Some of the ways that clutter can be removed from your mind is through deep emotional prayer, not begging prayer, not the kind of prayer where you are begging, but the kind of prayer where you are filled with gratitude for all that you have received, all that you are receiving, and all that you will receive. Deep prayer connects you to source energy, to the God force energy that pours through your life and allows you to manifest the life you truly desire. Visualization is another way to clear out all the clutter in your mind. Be of one mind. Who are you? What do you look like in the future? What are you driving? Where are you living? How is your health? What is your family like? Who are you in love with? You know, all of these things are very, very important. And if you have a clear picture of who you are and where you're going, it makes all the difference in the world in clearing out mind clutter. And of course, daily meditation, as simple as resting for 5 minutes, breathing deep in through the nose, holding it for 4 seconds, and then out through the mouth and remaining empty for 4 seconds. And the final method is exercise, yoga, running, bicycling, weightlifting. As you are engaged in physical exercise, you are eliminating all the other mind clutter because your body and your mind are coming together at one singularity, at one point. And that's important. You're training your mind to be absolutely focused of one mind. High flyers, it's important that we release any thoughts or feelings that are not in alignment with the life that we desire. What is the life that you desire? Release anything that is not in alignment with that picture, with that mental image in your mind. Let go so that the positive energy, the manifesting energy, can easily flow. Now, this is absolutely critical. You must have a clearly defined picture in your mind of your life. This allows you to manipulate energy by simply removing unwanted energy in your life. So what are your intentions? Clear, concise, written out intentions. I am statements, present tense statements. In other words, you're not trying to bring something to you. You're accepting that it's already present. Believe with all your heart, mind, and soul, high flyers, that you already have it, and it will already be present. Avoid words such as, I need, I want. You attract what you have. In other words, be exactly what it is that you desire to attract. You attract what you are, not what you want, according to the late, great Dr. Wayne Dyer. One thing is absolutely certain. An unclear, foggy, muddled intention will give you unclear, foggy, muddled results. Set clear intentions and maintain a positive mental attitude, a positive state about your intentions. Now, here are 2 secrets that I believe will drastically help you manipulate your reality so that you become the manifester that you always knew you were, and you begin to live the life that you truly desire. Whatever it is you desire, match the positive vibration of that desire. Now think about it. Every desire creates a feeling. It creates a feeling in you. I want you to look for ways to match that feeling as often as you possibly can in your life. The more often you match the feeling of what it is you desire, the more the infinite field of potential begins to match that feeling with your deepest desire. Even if you're not in the mood, even if you don't feel like it, focus on that feeling state anyway. Focus on that feeling. Match, let's get this clear, match your vibration with the vibration that you desire to attract. High flyers, when you take control of your own energy, your own vibration, and you begin to match it with the vibration that you desire, you are manipulating energy, and you are beginning to manifest what you deeply desire. Expect good things in your life. The second secret is to invoke the God force energy into your energy field. Each of us has our own personal energy field. Invoke God force energy into that energy field. Do this in a very, very simple way. I'm going to show it to you right now. It's very easy and it very much works because it couples your microcosmic energy with the macrocosmic energy, and when the two of them come together, the outside world and the inside world are in harmony. You are manipulating energy and you are manifesting what you deeply desire. So high flyers, there's a number of ways that you can do this. But the way that I do it is I simply visualize infinite light, infinite God force energy, infinite power, infinite creative force above my head, and I breathe it in all the way through my body, all the way down to my feet, in my arms, and my hands. And as I breathe, I expand that energy. I expand it. Now the next thing I do is generally a beautiful white color. I tincture it with my intention. I focus on my intention. And just by spending 5 minutes of focusing on my intention with this increased energy flowing through my body gives me increased power and ability to manipulate energy. I don't have to do anything specific because my intention is being magnified. It's like instead of whispering your intention, you're yelling your intention, okay? And the universe hears you, it connects with you, it couples with you, and it matches exactly what you desire. I like to say this simple invocation. I invoke the power of the universe, of God-force powers, to shape my reality in accordance with my intentions. High flyers, you have some very, very powerful techniques for manipulating reality now and manifesting the life you desire. Apply them, use them, share your results right down here. We'd love to read them. And thank you so much for sharing this channel around the net. We are making a difference. We're reaching millions of people. It's an incredible feeling, and we're all doing it together. Thank you. Have a great day, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.